Hey up, a friend of mine asked me to make him a sign for his grandson's little workshop. He's made a bit of a place in his workshop for his grandson, so he wanted a bit of a sign to go over his workbench. So anyway, I got this bit of scrap wood that I got knocking round, and I put it on my CNC and carved out the text on it and a hammer logo, if you like. And then I set to it with me jigsaw, I really made it up as I went along, I'll be honest with you. The idea was he wanted a bit of a rustic look to make it sort of look weathered or something. So I carved away at it with my jigsaw, to be honest. When I've done anything like this in the past with the lettering, I've got a Miles Craft set that I use with my router, and I've used that in the past. But obviously since I bought this CNC, I just use that. Now it's time to do a bit of sanding, and I started off with 40 grit just to take the bulk of what I wanted to get off, and then I went down to about, I think it's about 120 grit or something like that. And just, like I say, I was just making up as I went along, to be honest with you. There was no rhyme or reason to anything. I just kind of sanding away and just trying to make things look right. In them crevices on the end, I got a file in there and filed away at them a bit and tidied them up. Now this is where I'm giving it a bit of a burn. I want to give it, like say, that rustic look, and decided to char the wood. So I got that, I don't know if you saw that videos I did on this blow lamp as I bought from Temu, but for the money it's bob on. Anyway, I just charred away at it, burnt the sides and stuff until I got to where I wanted to be, where I felt, it was what I wanted. Now I did a bit of sanding, mainly on the ends, to be honest with you, where I charred it quite a bit, just to not to get it all off, but to kind of just knock it back a little bit. And then finally, I just give it a coat of lacquer, just to kind of seal everything in, and I think it makes the bits and bobs stand out a bit more. The only thing I'd say is I wish I'd made the hammer a bit more prominent, I suppose, but it doesn't look too bad. Anyway, that's it. If you could like and subscribe, that'd be great. And hopefully I'll catch you on the next one.